What type of blood is carried by the pulmonary trunk? Because the pulmonary trunk is the major vessel that carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. It is a unique artery in the adult body because it transports blood that is low in oxygen and high in carbon dioxide. What is the typical lifespan of a red blood cell, RBC? Red blood cells, erythrocytes, circulate in the human body for an average of 120 days before being broken down in the spleen and liver. This lifespan is a fundamental fact in hematology used to understand blood cell turnover and the progression of certain types of anemia. Which component is responsible for returning deoxygenated blood to the right atrium in systemic circulation? The superior vena cava drains deoxygenated blood from the upper body, while the inferior vena cava collects it from the lower body, both emptying into the right atrium. This is a critical part of systemic circulation, ensuring blood returns to the heart to be pumped to the lungs. The pulmonary trunk carries deoxygenated blood away from the right ventricle toward the lungs for oxygenation. The aorta is the largest artery that carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the rest of the body. The pulmonary veins are unique because they carry oxygenated blood from the lungs back to the left atrium. Where does blood carrying oxygen go after leaving the lungs? Oxygenated blood from the lungs travels through the pulmonary veins to the left atrium of the heart. From the heart, it is pumped to the rest of the body to supply oxygen to tissues. What happens to blood pressure as blood flows from arteries to capillaries? As blood moves away from the heart through the branching network of arteries to smaller capillaries, the total cross-sectional area increases significantly. This expansion leads to a gradual decrease in blood pressure, which is necessary to prevent damage to the thin-walled capillaries. A. It remains constant, pressure must change to drive flow, and resistance in the vessels causes a natural decline. B. It fluctuates wildly, while the heart creates pulses, the overall trend from arteries to capillaries is a steady decline. D. It increases, an increase in pressure would require an external pump midway, and high pressure would rupture delicate capillary vessels. Which vein is an exception to the general rule of carrying deoxygenated blood? The pulmonary vein is a unique vessel that carries oxygenated blood from the lungs back to the left atrium of the heart. This is an exception to the general rule that veins carry deoxygenated blood toward the heart in the systemic circulation. A. The jugular vein follows the standard rule by carrying deoxygenated blood from the head back to the heart. B. The saphenous vein is a large superficial vein in the leg that transports deoxygenated blood toward the heart. C. The femoral vein is a deep vein in the thigh that carries deoxygenated blood from the lower limbs. What are the three blood groups identified by Karl Landsteiner? Karl Landsteiner discovered the above blood group system in 1900, identifying the A, B, and O antigens on red blood cells. This discovery was crucial for safe blood transfusions and earned him the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Which antibody is present in the plasma of an individual with B blood group? Individuals with blood group B have B antigens on their red blood cells and naturally occurring anti-A antibodies in their plasma. This is a fundamental principle of the above blood group system used to prevent transfusion reactions. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.